Hello and welcome to this presentation on augmented reality versus virtual reality. My name is Ani Agoli and I will be taking you through this presentation. Virtual reality is an artificial environment which makes the user feel like they're in another world. Think about video games and roller coaster simulations, which can utilize VR to create a fun experience. I say simulations because that's essentially what VR is. It puts you in a world simulating things that are in that world. Like a roller coaster VR game would have you sitting front row in the coaster itself, and you'd see tracks and you'd probably feel rumbling and hear loud noises, which is simulating the same type of experience that you would have at an amusement park. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, the real world is used along with the device to see things that are not actually existing in the world. Like it says, Pokemon Go is a great example. So, the device, the phone, the real world, these are real streets. They actually exist. These are real buildings. You're not this big in real life. But this is also a real place. These are the things that are not actually existing. We know Pokemon aren't real, but through augmented reality, they could appear in this real world setting. How does it affect human behavior? Human behavior is greatly affected by the existence of AR and VR. Some people are a fan of it, some people aren't. There's many different opinions on it. People think they're talking to a real person when they're talking in VR or AR. It can affect a person's body movement, walking, turning your head, etc., change the way people complete tasks in the real world. It gives people similar social reactions to real life. Conversely, it doesn't fully connect people to one another. VR lingers effect after VR lingers after the goggles are taken off. I've experienced this myself. I was not a fan of it. Top trends in augmented reality. It plays a huge role in smartphone apps like Pokemon Go, delivers a more immersive experience in sporting events, adopted by the new entertainment industry, and new ways to shop for retail. So you could see there's some good things and some things that some people don't like. I personally think it helps a lot when shopping for new retail because if you want to see what a couch would look like, how it looks like in the warehouse might be different than how it looks like in your home. This could help. And the more immersive experience is what I think people are more afraid of because they feel like you could actually get lost in this and lose kind of social skills if you go overboard with it. Top trends in virtual reality. Merges with artificial intelligence used in schools. You'll see it a lot and it's only going to get more implemented into schools. Increased use in the military and more advertising opportunities. The conclusion of this, virtual reality is an artificial environment which makes the user feel they're in another world. Currently, VR and AR are widely being adopted in our daily lives. Some of you guys might not even know it, but it's getting implemented. Snapchat, things like that, those filters. They are virtual reality and augmented reality. Not as severe, but they still are. And it's only becoming more prominent every single day. References, and that will do it. Thank you.